Hello there, Nick. Hi, Tess. Hi, everybody. Yeah, I've got a few songs for you tonight. Just got a little set, 3 songs. We'll start with this one. It's called Everything Changes. Everything changes and nothing stays the same. Everything changes, it's true. If you make plans, then be sure to understand that things change, they just do. Do you remember those archers, tall and proud in the bay? They came crashing down one night, as if to say, if you can't rely on us, if you can't count on stone, then you're truly on your own. Everything changes. Do you remember that rich of sand dunes by the sparkly shiny sea, washed away by a storm one night? All that beauty swept into the sea, that beauty lost to you and me. Everything changes. Everything changes and nothing stays the same. Everything changes, it's true. If you make plans, then be sure to understand that things change, they just do. Hey, don't blink or you'll miss it. Don't even think for too long. That's why I can hardly sleep at night, 'cause I fear that when I wake, it'll all be gone. Everything changes. Everything changes and nothing stays the same. Everything changes, it's true. If you make plans, then be sure to understand that things change, they just do. I remember when there was hope, when we thought we could figure all this out, atone for the sins of our generation. But it was just our foolish pride, it was our imagination. Everything changes. I remember when I first loved you, when you danced in my dreams. But I don't love you like I did before. Everything changes, and now I love you more. Everything changes. Everything changes and nothing stays the same. Everything changes, it's true. If you make plans, then be sure to understand that things change, they just do. Everything changes, it's true. Everything changes, it's true. Thanks, that's Everything Changes. Yeah, the next one is a new one, this one. It's about the perils of social media. It's called Hit Me on the Socials. Hit me on the socials, hit me tonight. Hit me on the socials, make me feel alright. Hit me tonight. Hit me on the socials so I know how to feel. Hit me on the socials so I know that you're real. It's time for you to click and collect my soul. Hit me on the socials so that I can feel whole, yeah. Hit me up, hit me up, hit me up, boys. Hit me up, hit me on the socials. Hit me tonight. Do 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 do. can't sleep and I wanted you to know. Well, maybe it's the feed I fed just 2 hours ago, or maybe it's this crushing void and the pain in my head. Hit me on the social so I can feel that instead, yeah. Hit me up, hit me up, hit me up, boys. Hit me on the socials. Hit me tonight. Well, it's exhausting, this life that we lead. The clicks, the likes, the affirmation that we need. Now when I'm feeling stronger, then I'll put up some more fight. Till then, just one more hit to see me through the night, yeah. Hit me up, hit me up, hit me up, boys. Hit me on the social. Hit me tonight. Hit me on the socials. Right, I'll finish with this one. It's not a cheerful one. Well, you'd think so to hear the title. It's called Fresh Air and Birdsong. It's basically about strategies to keep you sane when the world seems to be going mad. I think we might need a bit more of these strategies in the days to come, you know. This might be as good as it gets. Anyway, on that cheerful note, I'll say good night, thank you for listening, and keep safe, everybody. Well, I've pretty much given up listening to the radio news. It's so damn crazy, it just leaves me feeling confused. And I've given up trying to keep abreast of current affairs. It's not that it bores me, it's just that it leaves me feeling scared. And I've given up on newspapers as well. There's so many lies and so much hate that I just can't tell what's real. And I've given up on watching the TV these days. It doesn't give me the distraction that I crave. Fresh air and birdsong, it's what I need to unwind. A solace for my soul, my body, and my tired and troubled mind. Well, I've given up on Facebook and all of that crap. I couldn't navigate my way through the rhetoric reality gap. I've decided to take a digital detox for a decade or two. I'm tired, I'm spent, I'm exhausted. There's nothing left that I can do. And I've given up on speaking. Nobody listened to what I had to say. And I've given up on people. I never understood them anyway. Fresh air, birdsong, it's what I need to unwind. Solace for my soul, my body, and my mind. Well, if you're looking for me, then you'll find me trying to stay strong, with my fears and my pain, just taking the air and listening to birdsong. I'll be on the beach or in the hills, you know, just walking to unwind, seeking solace for my soul and my tired and troubled mind. Fresh air and birdsong, it's what I need to unwind. Solace for my soul, my body, my mind. Solace for my soul and my mind. Solace for my mind. Keep safe, everybody. I'll see you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.